Hi, I'm Steve Hunt. I am a certified public accountant, and I'm the owner of College Tax Refunds, where we help recent college students and their parents claim thousands of dollars they don't even know they missed on their old tax returns. And I've been doing a deep dive into 15 critical, common, costly mistakes that recent college students and other young adults and their parents often make at tax time, trying to help you understand what those mistakes are so you can avoid them. And also, if you did make those mistakes, I want to make sure you understand how you can fix the old tax returns and collect the money that you missed. And today we're going to mistake number 7, which is a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek one. We're finally moving away from all the American Opportunity Tax Credit mistakes. There were several different ways that you could miscalculate the American Opportunity Tax Credit or miss that money altogether. That was a very costly mistake, up to $2,500 missed every single year when you miss the American Opportunity Tax Credit, and there were several different ways that you might have missed that credit, and that's why we had several different videos about those common costly mistakes. Today's is a little more fun. It is waiting to get married. That's a common costly critical mistake for those in a certain circumstance, and that circumstance is that what if the only reason that you're waiting to get married is a financial one? In other words, you are in love, completely in love, head over heels. You're already living together and sharing experiences, or you want to be living together, but you're waiting to get married or something, but you're sharing everyday expenses and experiences, and you are really feeling like you're a family. You want to be a family. You're committed to life together. You absolutely want to make this happen, but you're thinking to yourself, I just don't know if we have the money. We really want to get married, but we need to wait until we get a large amount of money, maybe some kind of a gift from our parents, or an inheritance, or a better paying job, or until we graduate from college. If the only reason is that you're waiting until some future point when you have a little bit more money, that might be a mistake, a financial mistake that could cost you dearly on your taxes. So tying the knot while you are a student may actually be financially wise, okay? So you can still get help from your parents. I mean, you don't have to give up help just because you're getting married, unless, of course, your parents say, I'm absolutely not going to help you out anymore, I'm going to disown you or whatever if you get married. Be aware that provides an additional reason not to get married. I'm talking about if the only reason you're not getting married is a financial one, not if the other reason you're not getting married is because your parents say don't do it. Okay, that's a different reason. But if you're not getting married for financial reasons, you can still get help from your parents. Okay, when you're married, you will no longer have to report your parents' income on your FAFSA, which is the financial aid, the federal application for free student aid, or something like that. I apologize that I don't remember the exact definition. You probably know it better than I do. I don't actually, as a tax CPA and as an expert in college tax refunds, I don't help students apply for scholarships and grants. But that FAFSA form is the form you fill out to get scholarships, Pell Grants, student aid, loans. And when you fill out that form, you do not have to put your parents' income on that form if you are married, which means you're going to qualify for more aid. That, in fact, could potentially be tens of thousands of dollars in additional free student aid that you get. So once you get married, I mean, let's say your parents are making $150,000, $200,000 every single year, and they're giving you a little bit of money, say $5,000, $10,000 to live off of. I don't know what they're giving you, but you're not qualifying for any student aid because of their income. Well, once you get married, you can qualify for tens of thousands of dollars every single year, and that may be one reason why you want to get married while you're still a college student. You can also file your taxes jointly at that point, which doubles the size of your combined tax brackets. This is only really helpful if only one of you is making money and the other one is not. So if one of you is making quite a bit of money, say $40,000, $50,000, and you're single, then you have to pay tax on everything above the standard deduction for a single person, which is about $12,000. That means you're paying tax on everything above that $12,000 all the way up to the $50,000 you're earning, and your tax brackets are smaller, so you're paying a higher tax rate. But if you get married and that same one person is earning $40,000, $50,000, well, now you have double the standard deduction, $24,000 that you're making that doesn't get taxed at all, and you have much wider tax brackets, and so you're going to be paying a much lower tax rate. So again, great reason to get married if only one of you is earning a substantial amount of income and you're still a student. Also, if your parents' income was over $160,000 or $80,000 if your parents were single, well, when you get married, now you can claim yourself as a dependent. You're providing for yourself, filing a joint tax return, and your parents were not allowed to claim the education credits. That's the American Opportunity Tax Credit that we talked about in several of my previous videos. Because their income is above 160, or because your mom or dad's income is above 80,000 if they're single, they are not allowed to claim those education credits. You, on the other hand, can claim those valuable education credits, and that could be worth several $1,000s more every single year. So once again, if the only reason you're not getting married is financial, again, this is a little tongue-in-cheek, but it's totally a good tax strategy. Go ahead and tie the knot if you're totally in love. You want to get married anyway. You're just needing a little bit more money. Hey, you may qualify for thousands and thousands of dollars while you're still a student if you go ahead and start your family a little bit earlier than you planned on. Now, there's not much that we can do to fix this one. Some of the other mistakes that are common, costly, critical, we can fix. It's why I created collegetaxrefunds.com as a place where if you made some of the other mistakes I talk about in my other videos, you can come to this website and you can check out exactly how much money you missed on your old taxes. It's totally free. It's totally risk-free to find out how much money you missed. And then you can amend your old taxes, which means fix them, to claim that money that you missed. But in the case of not getting married, if you didn't get married last year or the year before that, we can't go back and get you married and claim the Pell Grants and scholarships that you missed out on and claim the tax credits that you missed out on. We just can't do that. So this is a mistake that you can't fix in order to claim more money. You can only get married now and claim the money going forward. Now, I don't want the marriage to be a mistake because that's another big mistake, but I just want you to know that this is a decent tax planning strategy once again. If you're looking for a way to get some extra money, you're in love, and you know the person is right, don't wait. I'm Steve Hunt. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm the owner of College Tax Refunds, and I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel right here on YouTube. Click the subscribe button. Click the bell to get notified whenever we make more videos about tax planning strategies and about financial strategies so that I can help you get more wealth in your life. And please like this video. Comment below or ask any questions that you've got. Share this video with your college student friends, anybody who was recently in college, and any parents who have students who are in college. Share this video with them. Let them know that these videos are very helpful for helping you make sure that you get that you maximize your tax refund every single year. Have a great day.